Hi guys, you're welcome to today's class still on unit conversion. Today we have that convert 517 meter per second to kilometer per hour. I see a lot of problems like this both in physics and other topics too. I think some of the students who have been following me, I believe after now, this won't be a problem to be a walkover to them. Now, this is given solution. We have that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. We used to sing it when we are in primary school. And also 1 hour is equals to 60 seconds by 60 minutes, which is equals to 360, 3600 seconds rather. Now we are asked to convert this 517 meter per second to kilometer per hour. Now it's simple. If you have watched other ones, so 517 meter divided by second. It's quite different from the other one. Multiply by 1 kilometer, which is equals to 1000 meter. See how this one goes? Multiply by 3600 seconds is equals to 1 hour. This is really very interesting. Now, seconds will cancel seconds. Meter will cancel meter. We are left with kilometer per hour. Now, I can always say, if you multiply 517 by 3600, students should follow up and divide by 1000, you are going to have 1861.2 kilometer per hour. This is very simple for any student who has been paying attention to understand. Now, like I said, I would like you or implore you to drop your comments if there's any confusion or any topic you want me to throw more light on, or even any problem that I've solved and you want me to really explain better to your understanding. I'm here for you. Thanks for watching and watch out for more problem solutions. Bye.